How to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deactivating your Instagram account temporarily. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Instagram application if you're using your mobile device, or if you're using your PC or desktop, simply go to instagram.com, and the steps are exactly the same. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and then go to your profile section. From here, click on the gear icon in the top to access your settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, that is below the notifications option, and then tap on see more in account center in the left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, it will take you to a whole new interface. Now from here, tap on personal details, that is just below the password and security option in account settings. Click on it. You will see the option of account ownership and control. Tap on it. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. Select your Instagram account and you will come across two different options, that is deactivate account and delete an account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, tap on this deactivate account. It means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through the account center or by logging into your Instagram account. But if you want to delete your account and you want to remove everything permanently, simply tap on this delete account option and it will take about 30 days to completely vanish and delete your account from Instagram. So as we're looking for the option to deactivate our account temporarily, we're going to click on this deactivate account option and then click on continue, that is highlighted in blue color. Now, the last step is to enter the correct form of your password in this field and then click on continue and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can delete your Instagram account temporarily. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. How to add comments